Okay, so you've gotten yourself a sweet new camera system and it incorporates a license plate recognition. We have talked about in other videos in the VCA search demo on how to look up those plates. You go in, choose your device, choose the camera, search motor vehicle, hit search, it pulls up a list of plates. What we want to talk about in this video is how we actually enroll or whitelist or blacklist plates. How that works is you're going to go into the control panel and you're going to choose LPR. Now, sometimes we've talked about this before. Sometimes Smart is kind of hidden down here. And so you have to pop it open and you're going to hit LPR. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose a license plate your license plate recognition camera. So in my case, I've got one out here. I'm going to choose it. And what we want to do is just simply add the plate to whitelist it. So what you're going to do is go into your vehicle library management. You're going to go into your device. Now, in this case, I have a whole bunch of them, but you'll only have one. You'll go into OSC and then you're going to add a plate number. And all you do is you just simply click on the add button once you've chosen your library. You can then create whitelist and blacklist, or you can just use the default list. It's kind of up to you. In my case, I've actually created whitelist and blacklist. Now, well, what's the difference there? Whitelist are all people who have authorization, and blacklist are people who do not. So if you have a gate operator or the garage door, or whatever the case may be, and let's say this character was a troublemaker or something, I could blacklist them and then they would never be allowed. That plate would never be allowed. Everybody in my whitelist folder has full access. So if you want to do this, you certainly can, and you do that by just simply pressing the plus button, and then you can whitelist and a blacklist. And or you can just do everybody in the default list, completely up to you. In my case, I have whitelist and blacklist. So how do I add a plate? It's pretty simple. You just hit the add button and then you enter in the plate. It's as simple as that. Once you enter in that plate number, that person would then have full access to that garage or gate or whatever it might be. Now, once in a great while, the LPR will be fooled because there are different states have kind of different layouts or different fonts. And so if you enroll a plate and for some reason it doesn't read it properly, you may have to put a space between, like in a Nebraska plate, for example, it's YMT space 785. Sometimes it kind of freaks out if there's like two letters that are really close to each other, like let's say it's a one and an I or something like that that are right in the middle there. It sometimes has a hard time interpreting those two. If they're very different, like a T and a 7 or a J and a 9, usually it has no problem whatsoever. So on a very rare occasion, you may run into that. You may have to put in this, but just wanted to let you know. Um, I have a very large list, so that took a long time for it to hit add. Yours won't. But basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and choose my library, which is OSC demo down here, and I'm going to add it to the whitelist. And so I'll say OK, and then I just put in the plate number 123 A ABC. And again, going back to my comment about sometimes putting in the space, if you have a situation like this where you have a one and an I, it sometimes will kind of have a hard time interpreting that. But like I said, for the most part, you don't have to worry about it. It's usually ABC 123 or it's ABC 123. Will work just fine. And then once I hit OK, then that person is enrolled in the whitelist. So That's it. That's all there is to it. Definitely, if you have any questions, let us know. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.